Hey guys, so I'm going to make a quick video just reviewing the H2O capsule bottle. As you know, the bottle can hold your phone. It can hold your credit cards. I have paper there because I had a couple notes. These are my keys. It has something like the small hole here so that you don't choke. I drink water way too quick, so you know there's sometimes those jugs where you drink water and you just like pour it all over yourself. Sometimes when I fill in water with it, I spill water. Sometimes I just space out, I spill water over it. And I like this covering that it has. It absorbs the water. Not only can you hold your bottle from, you know, the whatever this is called, the handle, but you can hold it here. Last time, this is too much information, but last time I had to go to the bathroom and I was like, whoa, like I do not want to leave my bottle on the floor because that's just nasty, you know, like a public restroom, leaving your bottle. Sometimes people don't like aim right at the toilet seat. So I just love this because I was able to hang it up on the door, right? So I was like, oh, this is perfect. It has everything. So today I got an Amazon package in mail. It just arrived a couple minutes ago. And so I took it out of the package, and then there's another package inside, and I love it. And now this one is jungle green. I don't know if you guys knew that there's 3 different colors now. There's jungle green, there's a gold, and there's like a turquoise type of baby blue, and they're really cute. It's pretty lightweight, so when I fill it up, it's not bad. Okay, so the new things in these new 3 colors, so they come now with this I forgot the name. What is it called? It comes with let me think. It comes with a strap holder. This is a strap. Sorry, I spaced out completely. Oh wow, so it's a different color. I love that. It's so cute. So it's black, it's black, and then it's green. Then to hold your phone, it's black as well. The straps, this is green. You put your card right through here. What else? Let's see, the zipper is black, but now the zipper has this little cute capsule thing on it. And this zipper was just a regular zipper. And now this one has a cute little capsule. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so now it has straps. This one had absolutely no strap or nothing to place it around, just this small strap. So I like how I can still hang it up. And now it comes with these. Cute. Look at that. Hook it to the other side. There you go. You see that? You can hold it as a purse, so I can make it longer. I can make it up to this long. I can officially put it around my body. I love this. The bottle itself has measurements on them. So I hope you guys try it out. Honestly, get one of these bottles. Now I have 2. I'm so excited. I finally have 2. Definitely use my code. This is definitely the best. Not just the jugs, but also the customer service. The people who are actually in charge of these jugs are the sweetest. I wish I could hug them because, wow, they sent this. This arrived in 2 days. Literally 2 days. It was super quick, and yeah, I can't recommend it enough. So, thanks.